incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be diving into the Lush kitchen box for August. Again, I haven't seen any spoilers. I'm so excited to dive into this box. This got delivered 2 days ago and I haven't even peeked. I haven't even really smelt it, to be honest, so I am something smells really good in here. I'm so excited to dive in. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. If you guys don't know what the Lush kitchen subscription box is, essentially it's a 35-ish pound box that you get every single month, where you don't know what's inside. Unless you want to know what's inside, you can cast a vote on the website and you kind of get a rough idea of what you're going to get. Some things get picked, some don't, but I actually don't vote. I don't even look, so I have no idea what's in this box. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So when diving into the box, I do tend to go for the potted and bottled things first, just so I don't have to look at the ingredient sheet, because I feel like then I might accidentally peek at something else. So we're going to dive in. I wonder what's in today's box. Okay, I'm going to go for a pot. What is this? Oh, this is a classic. This is one of my absolute favourite products ever. And I rarely talk about it because you actually can't buy it anymore, and that is the Fluff shaving soap. This product was so incredibly good. I have mentioned it in a few favourites videos, I believe, but I finished up my pot quite a while ago now and I have missed it ever since. Essentially, Fluff is a strawberry shaving soap. Oh, it smells so nostalgic. It looks like this, by the way, in case you're wondering. I feel like they haven't really filled up the pot very much though. Like, I'm kind of missing half a pot's worth, but anyway. It smells so good. It smells the exact same as the massage bar, massage bar that used to be in the shape of a heart and a strawberry kind of thing. Smells really good. Ingredients wise, we have rapeseed oil, coconut oil, golden syrup, rose hip oil, fresh strawberries, aquafaba, vanilla absolute and orange oil. Essentially it smells just like a very sweet, it doesn't necessarily smell like strawberries. It's not kind of like a fresh strawberry fruit smell, but it smells what I would imagine like a strawberry icing to kind of smell like. It kind of smells like it would smell like that. Does that make sense? It just smells really good, really fresh, really clean. I am so excited to finally have some more of this. This is my all-time favourite, I've dropped it, shaving product from Lush of all time. Nothing compares to Fluff, so I'm so excited to have some back in my collection. I will probably be using it as of tonight, so it's just so good. Next up we have, ooh, another pot. Okay, what is this? Ooh, okay, this is the Scrumptious shower smoothie, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm so impressed with the size of this. I'm not so mad now that my Fluff is like half used, because this is a very generous size. I am going to read off the ingredients before I smell it because I've never smelt this before. So ingredients wise, we have got blueberry infusion, walnut oil, coconut oil, fresh orange juice, fair trade bananas, lemon oil, lime oil. I am so excited to smell this because okay, do you know what? Let's just smell it because I can't wait any longer. Okay, it doesn't look how I thought it was going to look. I'm not going to lie. I thought it was going to be orange. I don't know why. But this is what it looks like. So it's like a creamy moussey. No, wait. That smells like something else. It's like a mix of foam banana and foam shrimp sweets. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's like if foam bananas and shrimps had a baby. That is exactly what this smells like. My goodness. Oh, that smells incredible. I am so excited to try that, and I'm so impressed with the size. I think that's such an incredible, generous size. So let's keep going. I'm so excited. 10 out of 10 Lush, you're doing well so far. Let's keep going because I can't control myself. What do we have next? Okay, so the next item in the box, I'm gonna go for this one. Ooh, okay. So this is obviously a piece of soap, and this is the Sunny Citrus Soap. And ingredients wise, it has got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, lime juice, bergamot oil, tangerine oil, red mandarin oil, and neroli oil. I feel like this is gonna smell very strong in orange, but let's give it a go. Ooh, Oh, okay, hang on. Firstly, it does smell like orange. It smells like something we've had before though. Is this the same smell as the Bouncy Bunny shower jelly? Am I right? It smells very, very familiar. It smells really good. This also has a very moisturising texture to it, so I'm really looking forward to using that. But that smells really good. Very fresh, very citrusy, hence the name. Oh, delicious. Oh, I love that. That's so good. Next up, let's go for... Oh, okay, let's go for a bath bomb. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this. Has a little flower on it. It's a lovely green colour. I'm going to have to smell it. Okay, not my fave smell. It doesn't smell like a garden, which obviously you guys know, not my favourite. It just smells very powdery. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like talcum powder, but not a bit more. Is it jasmine? What? There is a flower smell. I'm going to read the ingredients and see what this is. So this is the All That Jazz Bath Bomb, and ingredients wise it has got jasmine absolute, vetiver oil, gardenia extract and ylang ylang oil. It's definitely jasmine-y, if that makes sense, but it's not like Lust kind of smell. Is Lust jasmine? I can't remember now. What ingredient was Lust? Was that jasmine? Because it doesn't smell like that. It's more of a dusty like flower smell. But anyway, it's nice. Not my favourite smell. It's just a bit, I don't know, dusty. Does that make sense? A dusty smell. A very light, dusty smell. Anyway, moving on. So I believe this is the last item in the box. So hopefully it's something good. Let's have a little look. Oh, okay, this definitely looks like something that would be up my street. I just really hope it smells as good as it looks, but this is what it is. It's one of those bubble bar sandwiches, I like to call them. Oh, okay, wait, what does that smell like? That smells like something. I can't pinpoint what it is. Let's see what's inside. So this is the Strawberry Crumble Bubble Roon. I love a bubble roon. So good. And ingredients wise, we have got cocoa butter, cornstarch, lemon oil, Tonka Absolute, fresh strawberries, shea butter, and soya bean flour. This smells like something and I really can't pinpoint what it smells like. It's really gonna bother me. But it's really cute. It's like a little heart-shaped strawberry. I love that. It reminds me of the one from Valentine's Day, the like double heart ones. Was it 2 hearts beating as one? Something like that. Oh, I love that. So cute. Oh, what a cute summery vibe. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen box for August. I'm actually very, very impressed with the box this month. I absolutely love everything. The smell of this isn't my favourite, but I'll still use it and it will still be really nice. However, the only thing I'm slightly disappointed with is the actual amount of shaving soap you get kind of in this. I don't know if it's just mine. I'm going to have to watch some other videos and see, but yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed that that's not full, but other than that, I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed that this is a full size because it just makes it a little bit worthwhile kind of buying the box in the first place. But I love everything. I'm really impressed. So well done, Lush. Another great box. 10 out of 10. So that's everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do, as we are on our way to 10,000 subscribers, which I cannot comprehend, to be honest. So I'm so excited. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.